Skin conditions are unfortunately very common in dogs. When the skin's protective barrier is broken, this leaves the entire body vulnerable to infection and other diseases. There are many conditions which can cause disease or breakdown of the skin barrier. These are some of the most common. Many of these conditions start with an allergy. Allergies are an overreaction of the immune system to a normally harmless substance. There are three main ways allergies manifest in the skin. Flea allergy dermatitis is one of the most common skin diseases in pets. It results from an allergic reaction to the flea's saliva during feeding. It causes scabbing and itching, usually at the base of the tail or behind the ears. Dogs don't need a huge flea burden to develop a reaction, and in fact can develop a flea allergy dermatitis if they only have 1 or 2 fleas on their body. Atopic dermatitis, or atopy in dogs, is the second most common allergic skin disease and is caused by a general allergic or hypersensitive reaction to an indoor or environmental allergen. This includes plants, pollen, dust mites, and more. Many of these microscopic allergens penetrate through the skin directly, as these dogs often have a genetically inherited skin barrier defect. Atopy results in itching, especially in the skin folds and areas like the flanks. It can often progress into a generalized dermatitis. Food allergy dermatitis occurs when a pet is allergic to a certain ingredient in their diet. It usually develops from 1 year of age onwards. If you suspect that your dog may be suffering from a food allergy, one of the only options is to put your dog on a restricted food elimination diet for at least 3 months. This usually involves a diet based with a novel protein and nothing else. If the symptoms improve over time, there's a possibility that your dog has a food allergy. At the end of this time, you need to re-challenge your dog by going back to your regular diet and see if the symptoms reoccur. If the symptoms come back, your dog likely has a food allergy. Mange is a skin disease in dogs which is commonly caused by 2 types of mites, Demodex or Scabies or Sarcoptes. Demodectic mange is the most common of the 2 mites. Demodex mites are normally found on all dogs and don't usually cause any problems. However, when the dog's immune system is compromised, the Demodex can thrive and cause hair loss and skin damage. This is often followed by itching and secondary bacterial infections. Dogs with Demodex don't often itch at the beginning, and all you often see are spots of hair loss starting on the face. Sarcoptes, or scabies, on the other hand, is caused by a burrowing mite and is less common. It is extremely itchy and is often caught from wildlife or other infected dogs. Scabies can be passed on to people as well. Another common skin condition in dogs are hotspots. Hotspots are also known as traumatic pyodermatitis. They usually appear as a discrete, moist patch of skin with hair loss that can be caused by anything that irritates your dog's skin, including infections, wounds, and flea bites. Dogs will then chew and lick at their skin, which irritates the area more and causes further infection if not treated promptly. Hotspots can spread throughout the body. NVH has formulated a variety of supplements to help with all types of skin disease. Contact our pet experts today to see which supplements might be right for your pet. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more healthy pet tips.